Chapter 8 App Architects. Learning Outcomes. What is an app? Mobile phone operating systems. Types of mobile apps. Categories of apps. Downloading and installing the app. Developing an app. This chapter is a gateway to delve into the exciting realm of app development. In the digital age, understanding how applications are crafted opens up a realm of possibilities. In this chapter, we learn to transform into digital architects, shaping the landscape of your own applications. Let's start the journey of thrilling universe of app architects as we embark on an exploration of the art and science behind creating applications that make a meaningful impact in our tech-driven world. So, delve into the exciting realm of app creation, empowering you to become the architects of your digital dreams. Smartphones play an important role in our daily life. However, the main function of the smartphones is telecommunication, but now with the help of apps, we can do many things which were previously unimaginable on phones. We can perform various tasks on smartphones such as online bill payment, online shopping, video calling, message chat, and play games. What is an app? An app is a software program primarily developed for handheld smart devices such as mobile and tablet. It helps the user to perform their personal and professional tasks more effectively. The app is a modern term derived from the word application. Today, thousands of apps are available for smart devices. Most of the apps are freely downloadable from App Store. However, some of the apps need purchase from the App Store. Apple's Store and Google's Play Store are the two examples of popular app stores. Factbot. The Windows Store is not in use for mobile devices, but we can download the apps for our computer from the Windows Store. There are mainly three types of applications. Desktop. The application that is mainly developed for computer or laptop is called a desktop application. This type of application depends on the hardware and operating system on which it runs. It is usually developed for a particular operating system. For example, Paint, Notepad, and Word. Mobile. Mobile application, also known as mobile app, is software program that is developed for handheld devices such as smartphones and tablets. These apps are installed and run on the device itself. For example, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Messenger. Web. A web app is an application program that is stored on a remote server and the internet through a web browser interface. The web apps require an internet connection to work. Mobile phone operating systems. Let us know about mobile phone OS below. Android OS. Android is an operating system for mobile devices developed by Google. It is the most commonly used operating system in mobile devices. Google and some other mobile manufacturing companies use the Android as operating system for their devices. Android provides user-friendly environment to their users. iOS. iOS, formerly iPhone OS, is also a popular operating system developed by Apple Inc. for its handheld devices such as iPhone and iPad. Windows Phone OS. The Windows Mobile OS is the third largest installed base OS after Android and iOS, and Microsoft developed the Windows Phone OS. All PC users have experience with the Microsoft Windows OS. It is developed with a similar user experience and a wide range of Windows operating system features. The Nokia Lumia series is completely Windows-based. BlackBerry OS. BlackBerry Limited developed the BlackBerry phone operating system. This is powered by Quantum System Software, later renamed as QNX Software Systems. The BlackBerry smartphone OS is a closed-source operating system like iOS and Windows OS. Government employees mainly use this. This is a next generation platform for BlackBerry smartphones and tablets. Factbot. Nowadays, most of the mobile devices run on Android and iOS. Types of mobile apps. Apps provide specific functionality in a more simple and user-friendly manner. We use so many apps on our mobile device to perform different types of tasks. Generally, these apps can be divided into 3 types. Let us learn about these types in detail. Native apps. Native apps are platform dependent, which means that these apps are primarily developed for a specific platform. Any app which is developed for iOS will not run on any other platform such as Android, Windows, or BlackBerry. In other words, we cannot install the app on iOS platform which is developed for Android platform. Most of the apps installed on our mobile device are native apps. These apps are distinctly accessible from app stores and offer the fastest, reliable, and most responsive experience to users. Camera, microphone, and gallery are some of the examples of native apps. Web apps. Web apps are actually web applications which give a user with experience similar to native apps. These apps are not deployed on the App Store. Hence, we need an extra app called browser to access these apps on our mobile device. We also need an internet connection to work with web apps. Web apps are different from websites. The major difference is that a web app can be a small part of a website which provides a particular functionality. Some of the examples of the web apps are Pinterest, Myntra, and Google Docs. Hybrid apps. The app that is created by combining the features of native app and web app is called a hybrid app. Similar to native app, hybrid app is developed for a specific platform and deployed on the App Store. We need to install the hybrid app before using it on our mobile. Some of the examples of the hybrid apps are Instagram, Twitter, and Gmail. Factbot. Web apps and hybrid apps can be created by using many hardware features of our devices such as camera and developed by using HTML and CSS. Nowadays, developers use development tools to package the code of the hybrid apps with a browser to make it as a native app. In this way, hybrid apps become cross-platform, which means that the same code can be run on multiple platforms. This technique saves the development time and cost also. Downloading and installing the app. An app is a software program, hence to use any app, we need to first install it on our mobile device. As we have already learned, Google's Play Store and Apple's App Store are the most commonly used app stores. Among these two, Google's Play Store is more popular due to the huge market of Android devices. So, we are taking an example of an Android device to install an app from the Google's Play Store. Follow the steps below to download and install an app on an Android device. Step 1. Tap on the Play Store icon of an Android mobile. The screen of the Google's Play Store appears. Step 2. Type the name of the app or related keyword in the Search for Apps and Games box at the top. In this example, we have typed the Productivity app keyword. A list of related apps appears. Step 3. Tap on the desired app to install. In this example, we have tapped the Cam Scanner app. The app info screen appears. Step 4. Tap on the Install button. The downloading of the app will start. When the downloading is completed, the installation process will start automatically. Within few seconds, the app will be installed on our mobile and the uninstall and open buttons will appear on the Google's Play Store home screen. Step 5. Tap on the Open button to use the app. Factbot. Google's Play Store has the most number of apps, over 3.8 million. Developing an app. All apps are developed by using an app development tool. App development tool can be standalone software or a web app. There are different types of free or paid app development tools available in the market. One of the free and the most popular app development tool is AppyPie. Some other popular app development tools are MIT App Inventor, Mobile Roadie, Appery, and App Machine. AppyPie is a cloud-based app development tool. It enables users to create apps without having programming skills. AppyPie provides a platform where we can create apps by dragging and dropping screens and other elements. Follow the steps below to develop an app on AppyPie. Step 1. Open the web browser on the computer and type URL in the address bar and then press the Enter key. The home page of the AppyPie app builder appears. Step 2. Click on the Create Your Free App button. Step 3. The page appears asking name for the app. Enter the desired name and click on the Next button. Step 4. Next page appears asking for category in which that app best fits. Select the desired category. In this example, we have selected the education category. Step 5. Next page appears asking for color scheme for the app. Select the desired color scheme. Let us select Deep Ocean, not shown. Step 6. Next page appears asking for device for which we want to create app. Here, we have selected the Android device. Step 7. Next page appears. Click on the Save and Continue button. Step 8. The Sign Up page appears. Enter valid email address and password. We can also sign in using other accounts by clicking on icons below. Step 9. After filling the email address and password, click on the Sign Up button. AppyPie sends a verification code on the entered email address. Step 10. On the next page, we need to enter the verification code and click on the Confirm button. Step 11. The page with final view or customization appears to make final changes if required. Click on Save and Continue button to save the changes if made. Test Your App page appears displaying a QR code. When we scan the QR code by using Scanner app of our mobile, we will get a link of our app on the mobile. This link provides us the download link and the steps to install the app on our mobile. Before installing the app, we need to enable the settings of our mobile to install the apps from unknown source. Somebot. Apple's App Store and Google's Play Store are the two examples of popular app stores. There are mainly three main types of applications: desktop, mobile, and web. Nowadays, most of the mobile devices run on Android and iOS. Android is an operating system for mobile devices developed by Google, whereas iOS developed by Apple Inc. There are three types of mobile apps: native, web, and hybrid. One of the most popular websites used to develop an app is appypie.com. Tech Bytes. App, a software program primarily developed for handheld smart devices such as mobile and tablet. Desktop application, the application that is mainly developed for computer or laptop. Mobile application, a software program that is developed for handheld devices. Web application, an application program that is stored on a remote server and the internet through a web browser interface.